Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to start right where we left off on problem 12. If you look here, 0 minus 3, I cannot do that. But first let's do the ballpark estimate. So 540. Should I round that down to 500? Or could I say my estimate is 550? I'm going to be safe and say 550. Minus, well, 253. Is that close to 250? That's what I would do. So 550 minus 250. What do you think that is? Well, I'm going to say it's about 300, right? It's about the difference here. So let's go back and do it for real. I'm going to borrow from this 4 and make it a 3 and make this 0 a 10. 10 minus 3 is what? 7. 3 minus 5. I can't do 3 minus 5, so do this with me. Cross out that 5 and make it a 4 and make the 3 now a 13. What does 13 take away 5? What do you think? That's 8. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer here is 287. So look how close I was. 300 was my ballpark. 287 is the real. Let's go on down here now. Remember, when you come upon parenthesis problems on this test tomorrow, always remember parentheses first. So 4 plus 4, I always like to write it in right above. 8, and then look, 3 times 8. What is 3 times 8? Well, that's 24. Do parentheses first. 7 times 8 is 56. Look, 56 plus 1 is 57. Nice job. Do you see how I did that? Let's move on. And you can see this next problem right here says find the missing value. 3 times 5. That's 15. And what's 15 plus 2? 17. Nice job. Now the next problems you're going to see on this test tomorrow. Remember, 7 and 50. What is 5 times 7? Remember, don't get too scared when you see this. Just know your math facts. 7 times 5 is 35, and bring down my 0, 350. Same thing with this one. 6 times 5. That's the answer of 30, and bring down a 0. The answer would now be 300. Now look at this one. 6 times 7 is 42. And how many zeros? 1, 2. Add the 2 zeros. Then you have 6 times 6 is 36. And add my 2 zeros. Excellent job. Let's go on to the next one. Sorry about that. Now, this is the one that I'm worried about. The reason I'm worried about it is because when I see these, I get a little bit nervous, but then I remember that it's the same as the problem above. They're just trying to trick you. So the way I would look at this is which one of these boxes could I answer? Well, I have a 70 here, and I have a 5 here. So I could start here, can't I? Look, 7 times 5, what is that? Isn't that 35? And then add my 0. Great. But now, think about this. You know something here. We're going to figure out this box because 5 times what is 10? Well, that would be 2, wouldn't it? 2 times 5 is 10. Now you're going to be able to figure out the next couple problems. And you know how you're going to figure that out is look at this 7. Look at this answer. 7 times what is 14? I think that would be a 2, wouldn't it? And then how many zeros? Well, there's 2 zeros in my problem. There's only 1 0 here. So if I add another 0 up here, now look, 7 times 2 is 14 with 1, 2 zeros. Now you can solve this one. 2 times 2 is 4 with bring down your 0, 40. Nice job. Back to missing values. 8 minus 1 is 7. What is 49 divided by 7? Well, if you know 7 times 7 equals 49, right there, the answer would be 7 over here. Good job.